Welcome to Movie Dataset Cleanup in Python. Ever wondered how streaming apps organize thousands of movies? They use data cleanup. Today, we will learn to tidy up messy movie info using Python. No experience needed, just curiosity and your keyboard. We will start with the basics and soon you will clean your own tiny movie dataset. Grab your snack and let us begin. Running the cell now. We will make a list to hold a bunch of movie titles. Notice that some have extra spaces or different capitalization. Let us display the original list. See how messy it looks. Running the cell now. Practice. Add your favorite movie to the list. Why clean up the data? Datasets are often messy, extra spaces, different spelling, or strange symbols. Cleaning makes it easier to search, compare, and show movies. Let us see how we can tidy up our movie titles. Running the cell now. Sometimes, movie titles have extra spaces at the beginning or end. The strip function removes them. We make a new empty list to hold clean titles. We look at each title, clean it, and add it to our new list. Now, let us display our cleaner titles. Notice spaces are gone. Running the cell now. Practice. Try adding more movie names with weird spaces and see what strip does. Sometimes the same movie is written with uppercase, lowercase, or a mix. We want every word to begin with a capital letter. That makes them easier to compare. Title changes each word in the string to start with a capital letter. Let us see the list now. Running the cell now. Did you know? Clean titles make searching super easy. Mistakes sneak in. Say someone wrote Titanic instead of Titanic. You can update a value in a list by assigning it new text in the right spot. Now the list is fixed. Running the cell now. Practice. Pick another title and try changing it. Sometimes movie titles show up more than once. We can add a duplicate on purpose to our list. Sets in Python do not allow repeats. A set makes each movie appear just once. Let us convert the set back to a list for easier use. Here is the list, now cleaned up. Running the cell now. Practice. Try making your own set from a different list. Let us let you add your favorite movie. The input function asks you to type a movie title. We will clean your answer and see if it is new. We only add it if it is not already there. If your title is totally new, you will see it added. If your movie was already in the list, you will get a warning. Running the cell now. Try adding a movie you like. See how the script handles repeats. Removing a movie is easy. Here we try to remove our avatar. The if statement checks if it is there first. That avoids errors. If it was found, we take it out and let you know. If not, nothing bad happens. You get a little message. Here is the updated list. Running the cell now. You can try this pattern with other titles too. Let us see if a movie is in our polished list. Type a title and we will clean it up the same way. If it is there, you get a happy message. If not, you find out fast. Running the cell now. Cool tip, searching becomes easy when your data is tidy. Want to alphabetize your movie titles? Sorted will do it. This helps you find things fast, especially in long lists. Let us look at the nice, sorted list. Running the cell now. Try sorting a list of your own. Sometimes you want just certain movies. Like everything starting with T. This is called filtering. The code checks each title for a match. Here are all that's TE movies. Running the cell now. Practice, change the letter to search for a different group. It is useful to count things. Len tells us how many movies are in our cleaned list. Try it after adding or removing movies to see the change. Running the cell now. Challenge, can you print 2 favorite titles using indexes? Let us take a step up and give each movie some details. A dictionary lets us connect each title to its release year. Now you see both title and year info grouped safely. Running the cell now. You can use dictionaries for lots of data connections. How can we see just modern movies? Let us check each title's year. We go through each pair of movie and year. If the year is above 2000, we print it. Running the cell now. Try changing the year to see different results. Sometimes new movies are added from another source. We can join lists together with the plus sign. Here is what the bigger collection looks like. Running the cell now. Reminder, watch for repeats when you combine lists. Now let us tackle a data structure that looks like what you might see in real streaming catalogs. Each entry is a dictionary with a title and year. But there are mistakes. You can see blank names, missing years, and spaces. Let us print the whole set. Running the cell now. Do you spot which entries need cleanup? Let us fix typos, missing info, and odd spaces in that set. We make an empty list for the cleaned up entries. For each movie, we clean the title and try to make the year a number. If there is no year, we skip that movie for now. Only titles with both name and year go into the result. Let us show our new, shiny data set. Each movie should now be in a neat and tidy form. Running the cell now. Try changing data to see how the cleanup works. Now for our challenge. Let us look up all movies released between any 2 years. The script asks you for a starting and ending year. Then, it shows every cleaned movie from our set that fits. This searches through the structured, clean data. You will see only movies in the target band. See how these skills fit together in something practical. Running the cell now. Be sure to like, comment, and share this lesson if you are learning something new. Want to know the range of years in your catalog? Here is a trick. Minute and Max help us pick out the oldest and newest entries in our list. There you go. Now you are a real movie data wrangler. Running the cell now. Practice, add a new movie with a really old year and see what changes. What if someone puts strange symbols in a movie title? Here, we go through a few oddball titles, remove symbols, then tidy up. The result is a list of only letters, numbers, and spaces. This is good for making data neat before storing it. Running the cell now. Try inventing silly titles and see how the code cleans them up. Mistakes happen. Do not worry. Copy lets us save an old version before experimenting. Pop takes out the last title. But our backup keeps us safe. See how we can roll back to the older state. Running the cell now. Never be afraid to experiment. Your original data is one backup away. Recap, you are a movie data cleaner. We started from a rough list of titles, clean spacing and style, learned to update and remove entries, filtered and sorted, used dictionaries, merged lists, handled real-world errors, and finished with a mini project. With a few lines of Python, you can prepare movie data for any app, website, or project. Curious to go deeper? Experiment with more messy data. Running the cell now. Thanks for learning. Like, subscribe, and share. If you enjoyed cleaning movie data in Python, please like this video, leave a comment with your favorite movie, and subscribe for more Python lessons. Share with friends who want to learn coding in a fun way. See you in the next lesson. Running the cell now.